In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive payments on Airbnb with our full guide. This process is essential for anyone hosting on Airbnb as it ensures you get paid seamlessly and on time. Let's delve into each step to set you up for success. First things first. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Airbnb website by typing airbnb.com into the address bar. This is your starting point for accessing all your hosting features and payment settings. Once you're on Airbnb's homepage, locate the login button. It's typically in the top right corner of the screen. Click this button and enter your login details. If you've forgotten your password, Airbnb provides a simple way to reset it. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Being logged into your account is crucial, as it's like your control panel for everything hosting related. After logging in, look for your profile icon, which may appear as a small circle with your picture or initials at the top right. Click it, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select the Account or Profile section. This is your personal hub where you can manage your account settings, including payments. Next, you need to access your payout settings. This section is designed to help you manage how you receive payments. Look for the option labeled Payout Preferences or simply Payouts in the account menu and click on it. Here you'll find everything you need to set up and manage your payment methods. In the Payouts menu, there will be an option to add a payout method. Click on this to begin the process of setting up a financial link. Airbnb gives you several choices for receiving your payouts, tailored to your location and convenience. You might choose a bank transfer, ACH, or SEPA transfer for direct deposits to your bank account. Alternatively, if you prefer online methods, PayPal is universally supported, and Payoneer is an option in some countries. Depending on where you are, there might be other local methods available as well. Once you've decided on a payout method, you'll need to enter your payment details. This might include your bank account number, PayPal email address, or details required for another payment service. Be sure to double-check this information, as errors can delay your payments. Accuracy is key here to ensure your funds are directed to the correct account. Finally, you might be prompted to verify your payment method. Airbnb often requires verification to protect your financial transactions. This step could involve a small deposit sent to your account, which you'll then confirm back in your settings, or a quick verification email. Follow the instructions provided by Airbnb to complete this verification step, and there you have it. By following these instructions, you should now be all set to receive payments on Airbnb. Remember, keeping your payment details up to date ensures you'll never miss out on your hard-earned hosting income. Thanks for watching and happy hosting!